Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So you all know I do traveling tour Jamaica, guys, but I will show you say country life same way, early morning settings before we tour Jamaica. So I show you what I do on the farm same way. So big up on yourself anywhere now watch from True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So I tell you say a lot of things you can do out there to survive in a life, not only one thing. So thank you for stopping by. Blessings anywhere I watch from. Yes, I'm talking to you. Blessings, man. Bless up yourself. One love and one heart. Thanks for stopping by. I tell you, country life is the best. Yeah, man, so this is the big cup coconut. Yeah, man, very big, hold a lot of water. So my people, anytime I drink out on a coconut, you must always chop it. Because if you don't chop it and throw it away, you're gonna have a lot of back pain. So always chop on a coconut. Yeah, man, you see the meat here, nice with some sugar. Yeah, man, so I always chop on a coconut anytime I finish drink it. So you don't know, so in the early morning, yeah, man, me have to drink a jelly coconut because you know, so the jelly coconut is good for the heart. So in the early morning, I have to make sure me have a coconut, you know. So if you're not there around the countryside and in St. Elizabeth, you can check Fire Reid for one of them jelly here. Drink one coconut every morning, man. Every morning, you know. So guys, I also love farming. Yeah, man, so raising a lot of goats, sometimes it's hard for, it's very hard, very expensive to feed them pan grains alone. So more time you have to improvise and plant your own corn. So yeah, man, a lot of corn, you see them? So you can reap your corn. After you reap your corn, you can give it to the goat. Yeah, man, so planted corn is very important. Yeah, man, so you have the okra tree. These are the grains now. Yeah, man, so these are the crack corn. Crack corn is very expensive, you know, so you buy a bag of crack corn, very expensive. Like 2,500 for one bag of crack corn. So, one just can go out there and plant some corn. Improvise. Yeah, man, you can see it, a lot of corn. See them corn here? Them corn are ready. So I just cut it and harvest it and also give the trash to the goats. And all these corn are organic. Yeah, man, you can see a lot of worms. Yeah, man, worms eating the corn and stuff. So I mostly go the organic way. So it's good for you to plant in your backyard. Some little items like, you know, you have your hot pepper and also your aloe vera. Yeah, man, so see them here? Yeah, man, them call it a scotchy. And also your aloe vera. Yeah, man, see the dandelion the same way. Good for the man them with them prostate. Them call it the dandelion. This carries some pad. The pad is very good. just start to blossom. Yeah man, so we have every little thing in the backyard. We have all the pumpkins same way. So yes, some people, so you don't have to have a bag of money if you go into farming. You don't have to go the expensive way. So I'm going to show you one of my grass cutter. I built a grass cutter out of a washing machine, so a machete. So I'm going to show you how the grass cutter built and show you how to bring it into operation, guys. So yeah man, so this is the grass cutter. As you can see, this make out of a washing machine. Yeah man, you know the basin around the washing machine. Also reinforced with steel. Yeah man, you can see reinforced with steel. And also a machete. Yeah man, so this is the machete. Very sharp. Very sharp. So this is the safety. This is the safety for it. So when you push the grass through this stop your hand. So you don't cut off your fingers. So you also have the safety right here. So yeah man, so you can tell me what you think about this machine. Yeah man, you know say Fire Reid construct it and also build it. So if you don't want to build one, you can go the cheaper way, same way. See it there? One more time. Yeah man, so we tell us you have to harvest 1 and 2 cans same way. Yeah man, them cans are ready. Them not grow so big. Yeah man, because you know some of the time a lot of fertilizer. People throw a lot of fertilizer. But this is the organic corn, more organic. No fertilizer. Yeah man, so let's see if we can get some corn. After we harvest the corn, we're gonna use the corn, also give it to the goat. Yeah man, so as a farmer, we must also plant on our own crop, you know. Yeah man, so you harvest some corn. After harvesting it, and I tell you, say, goat them love the corn, you know, man. Them love the corn, I tell you, no. Yeah, man, the goat them love the corn. I tell you, say, the goat them love the corn, people. So here's some paper. Yeah, man, I show me brought this into operation. Yeah, man, so this is the corn trash. Yeah, man, you can see the corn trash, you know. So I put the corn inside. And let it do the work. Very sharp, so you have to be very careful. So this can cut a lot of grass for the day. Very handy tool, homemade by Fire Reid. Very handy tool, guys. So if you don't have no goat farm, you can build one of them tools and cut on the corn and also on the grass. Yeah man, so you can see the finished product. Yeah man, very handy tool. So these are the finished product. Depends on how you want it. You can cut it very small also. Yeah man, so the corn them pretty like money. And the mirror kinda get hard already. Very hard. Yeah man, nothing like the farm life guys. Yeah man, farm life is the best. Yeah man, so I get up in the early morning. Don't have to work in the sun hot. Yeah man, so farm life is the best. Yeah man, them corn are kinda ready. Kinda hard and things still, but so the goat them love the corn trash, you know. Yeah, if you just improvise. Yeah man, see you have to build this out of one hood and piece of mesh. So you put the corn inside of it. You don't really drop out like that. So this is a very nice way to feed your goat guys. So guys, sometimes I use the corn to substitute. Come on, guys, I love the car, you know. Man, so I give them some crack corn. In the meantime, same way. Yeah man, so you know, so the goat them love them fresh water. Yeah man, so you have to change the water every morning. So that is also a key when raising goat. Yeah man, you have to change and give them fresh water every morning. Wash out them container. Wash out them container, make sure it's clean. So that is very important, hygiene. So guys, just big up on yourself anywhere that watch from. As you can see what Fire Reid doing in spare time, so big up on yourself, you know. Country life is the best guys. So in the meantime, I'll leave that make it go on full. You know, sometimes I do cut and carry, but sometimes I have to take them out instead of the grass and also make them eat. As you can see the amount of corn. Yeah man, you see it organic. Giving our walk through, plant a lot of corns. Yeah man, corn and pumpkin. So we improvise on the farm. Walking through the corn and show you. Don't bear too well because of the nature of corn. Also organic also. See them here full of beer worm. No chemical, no chemical. So in few days time, I will be cutting out a lot of these corn. Yeah man, so the goat them can have a face. So yeah man, so after I don't look after the goat them, yeah man, we still can walk around and look some sweet sap. Yeah, you know say fruits good for the body. So we can walk around and look some sweet sap in the country. Yeah man, so you don't know sweet sap there same way. Yeah. Life nice in Jamaica. Yeah man, so you can tell me what you think about beautiful Jamaica island. Tell me if you would want to live here in our beautiful island Jamaica, guys. Yeah man. Can see them thing here. You can see it. Bird done work on that one already. Yeah man. So always remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, as I said before, I tour Jamaica. This is all about the country life in Jamaica. Nothing sweet like the country. Manners and respect, one love and one heart. True Jamaican vibes. Fire Reid. Peace and out.